Michaela with Wet My Plants, and I'm back for another repotting. This is my Fiddle Leaf Fig. It has been through a lot this year. We drove from California to Texas and it was in our car the whole time, so that's why it's like hunched over and has all these broken leaves. But it's about time for a new pot, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Try to wiggle some of this soil out. This is the nursery pot that it was bought in, so I'm not sure how long it's been in here. At least the whole time that I've had it, so it's ready for a new home. So it looks pretty root bound. So what we're going to do is we're just going to gently break it apart and try to get these roots separated from each other. Put it in this bigger pot. I'm going to go ahead and add some of the soil that was in there back in there, and then use the new soil. I'm just using a Miracle-Gro potting mix to refresh it and fill in around the root ball. Pretty quick and simple and painless. So after you repot, make sure that you give your plant a good drink and let it dry out, and that's all.